Dude, this is Brian Haggerty. Okay, so I was watching this course called the Employee Rockstar Toolkit, and this guy developed a whole system and training system for hiring and retaining the right employees. I'll let him talk about that. And dude, okay, so I'll let you introduce yourself.
Yeah, good.
Man. Okay.
Hey, Brian Haggerty, A+ Power Washing and Roof Cleaning. I'm here with Kurt. I'm not Kurt.
Keith.
Shit. Okay,
it's okay.
Wait. Hey, Brian Haggerty, A+ Power Washing and Roof Cleaning from New Jersey. I'm here with Keith. He's hooking up with me at the Automated Gross Sale Convention. I'm one of the mentors here this year. It's awesome. It's a blast, man. We're having such a great time. Brandon Vaughn is here. Josh Latimer. We're just really having a good time. Anyway, he asked for a little bit of an interview, so I'll just tell a little bit about my company.
Make sure my mic's on. Okay, cool.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm in New Jersey. We have 10 trucks. We have a mid-sized company. We do only strictly house washing, roof cleaning, and I'm actually one of the mentors here this year at the event. And we're running into so many great things. There's so many people here that are just like, they're kind of lost. They're a little bit lost in their business, and probably you know what it's like. You know, when you first get started, there's like that one hill you climb up and you're like, I'm at the top of the hill, I got it all made. And then you find out like, oh wow, I got to hire employees. And you got to come up with a whole set of skills, right?
Oh yeah,
and then,
totally different.
Yeah, and then the next thing you know, you're like, oh wow, I got to train managers. And then, oh wow, I got to learn how to like put systems into my business. Well, that's what Automate Gross Sale is all about. It's to learn how to put systems in your business and make your business like serve you rather than you serve it.
So can you give an example of like a system to start hiring employees and the right ones?
Oh, certainly, right.
Yeah.
Well, here, I'll give you guys a really good tip. There's a program, it's called Talent LMS. So it's TALENT LMS, and LMS stands for Learning Module System. So the first thing you want to do before you're going to start hiring in employees is have a training system that you can use to train them. Otherwise, you have to train them to do everything, and it's going to slow you down. You're going to actually lose money. So what we do is take your cell phone. It's really simple. You grab your cell phone out of your pocket, right? And you say, hey Keith, do me a favor and film me taping out this electrical outlet. Film me rolling up that hose. Film me doing this, doing that, right? And you put it on Talent LMS, and you can actually make your own training course. So you make a video, then you make a test for the video, so you know they did it. You can track their progress through it. It's you can make different levels in your business. Like we have 5 different levels that you can be in our company. There's books you need to read to be able to do that. So you can create an entire training program for your people on Talent LMS. And it doesn't have to be fancy. You don't need something real fancy. One of the tasks that I give people here that are new, that are just trying to do this, I want you to make a list today, right now. Sit down and do it. A list of 30 videos that are the most important videos that you need to make in your business right now. Every morning, the very first job that you're on, when you get there at 8 o'clock, you do 3 videos or 4 videos a day. In 3 weeks, you will have 60 videos in your training program all ready to go, and you can train people with them. When you get that done, that's when you start hiring. And we have a really great system. It's called the Ultimate Employee Rockstar Toolkit. You can get it at automategrowsell.com. It sells for $4.97, and you will learn everything you need to learn about hiring people. We have job descriptions in there. We have we actually have a really good employee handbook that you can use. You can just take our name out, put your name in. We have the interview questions you need to ask them, the ads that you would put on Craigslist or Indeed. We have the script that you would use for a voice message, and we tell you how to weed out all the B and the C players.
Oh yeah, I remember. It's so by the time they actually get to you, you give them like little tasks to see if they can follow instructions.
Exactly, right. So what we're doing is we're making all the people that are going to apply for this job. Now you got to realize something. You say, oh, I put it on Indeed and 300 people applied and none of them did what I told them to do. Well, they're all trying to get unemployment. That's all they're doing. If they apply to a job for you, they just got their unemployment thing taken care of and they can keep collecting. That's not what you want. You want to get people that really are going to want to apply for your job, right? So you put in the ad, it says, do not reply to this ad. There's important information that you need to do, so read the entire ad. And in that ad, we give you a trick to make them take a test. You're making this a test, and they have to listen to it. So you already know that they're interested because they read the entire ad, and they're not just trying to get unemployment. Once you get that down, then we have them go to a special voicemail that we created, and we learn a little bit more about them. They learn a little bit more about us, and then we put them through a whole process. So we created, if you would, a funnel to only end up with A players in our business, and it weeds out all the B and C players.
Awesome.
And so the guy who actually gets to you is the guy you want to hire.
That's awesome.
It is awesome. Yeah, it really works out great. Yep, it's on automategrowsell.com, and you can pick it up there, and I hope it works out for you. It works great for us.
Thank you.
Cool, man.
Brian Haggerty.
Good being with you, man.
Good man.
Was that all right?
That was awesome.